Hey guys, cheers. Welcome back. Today we're just going to do a quick tour of the garden right now. Show you 4 new beds that we've added on. And actually, we're going to add on 3 more this weekend. Also, this weekend we'll be harvesting some potatoes and starting another round of green beans. So let's check things out. Oh, hey, welcome home. We'll just start over here in the flower bed. The begonias and these polka dot flowers, man, everything is looking so good, so good. Excuse the mess over there, but you can see we've harvested some of the onions, some garlic, and I'm just letting them cure over there a little bit. Over here, got a little bit of oregano going. Late start on it, had a hard time. Um, 2 strawberries. This one here actually is a survivor from last year. I kept it in the greenhouse, and you can see here things are starting to look really good. This one over here, got it this year. I didn't do it from seed, but it's really looking good as well, and getting some shoots on it. Under here, I don't know if you can see or not, got some pretty orange peppers under there. Those are ready to be picked. Over here, got some purple peppers. And then here we come to a mess. This bed definitely is a mess, but somewhere in here are some good old watermelons. This one here is getting started. Got another one hanging out over here, mixed in with some sweet potatoes. Now, I don't like sweet potatoes, but I'm going to try to grow them this year. My mom likes them. Got some cantaloupe going on over here. This one here was also a late start. See some flowers going. Hopefully we'll get some melons here pretty soon. That over there is a late pepper transplant, just something I had in the greenhouse. Back up to the corn. Corn is doing really well. Tassel's already going. There's the silks. And hopefully you can see some of the growth here. Everything's looking good. And most of these, for some reason, only have one ear on them. There's a couple in the middle that do have 2. This right here is the row that is new this year. These right here we just got started maybe a week ago. This one here already has some more corn in it. This one here is going to be some tomatoes. This one up here is going to be another one of corn. And this one here, and I see a little sprout coming up. These are going to be another bed of beans. Right here is the second round of corn. That is peaches and cream. Cucumbers doing really well. And we can sneak a little peek in there at that cucumber. Got me some peas going. And some good old carrots. Slide around to the side here. 2 beds of beans. And these right here, the majority of these have already been picked. Did a harvest this past Sunday. Got about 13 big old freezer bags full. It does have some still on it. But these we're going to pull up after we get the rest of them off and replant some more. These are the bush beans, and they won't, unlike the pole beans, they won't continue to produce. You can see these are pretty hollow. The onion bed over here, it's almost done. There's still a couple of the intermediate day onions and a couple of the long day onions still in here. But those are about done. Over here, we got a little teeny tiny red pepper. Over there is some zucchini. Got 3 different beds of potatoes. These 2 right here were bought from a seed company, whereas this one over here was just some organic potatoes that chitted and we planted. So as you can see, these are taller, a little bushier. These are not. We're anxious to see the difference in the potatoes. Yellow squash, and you can see it down there. Yellow squash right there. This right here is a freshly transplanted celery. And this one here is another potato that seemed to sprout out by itself from, I think there was cabbage in that one originally. And last but not least, there is some mint growing down in here. Now we'll come this way. This is another addition this year. These 2 right here are supposedly Concord grapes. These have been in these grow bags for a couple of weeks now and hadn't really seen any growth yet. Over here, these 2 are blueberries. These 2 right here are blackberries. And these 2 are raspberries. Slide over here in this mess and have a scraggly watermelon and a sunflower seed. Man, oh man, I about forgot the best part. The tomato bed. Check out these babies. Look at that. Got some down here that are definitely ripening up. These tomatoes are absolutely loaded. This is the first year I've actually tried removing the suckers and just doing a single shoot. But it looks like these are gonna hopefully pay off. So far the leaves don't show any sign of disease or blight so far. Yeah, these things are looking so good.